Hospitality is a people-first business. And having said that, customer service is vital to a superior customer experience. To accomplish that, in this module, we will focus on front desk and the important task of checking in guests. This demonstration will show how to create a basic walk-in and review the various fields available. A walk-in is unique because it combines creating a reservation and checking in the guest at the same time. You will begin with the front office dashboard. There are 3 options to begin the walk-in process. The first option is the walk-in link in the availability section of the dashboard. The second option can be accessed from the front office drop-down menu. Tap on the front office menu, then in the sub-menu, locate Walk-in. Tap this listing. And finally, the third option can be found at the top of the Create a Reservation screen. Tap this link and it will transition to the walk-in guest screen. To begin the walk-in process, you can search for a guest profile to attach. Remember, any guest that has stayed at any Wyndham hotel may already have a profile in the CR system. To search for an existing guest profile, tap the Find a Guest button. You have the ability to search for a guest by name, postal code, or Wyndham Rewards number. Once the search criteria has been entered, tap the green Find Guest button. When the search results appear, verify the address and phone number of the guest to ensure accuracy. If the information is correct, tap the Select button to attach the profile to the walk-in. Once a guest profile has been attached, you will need to complete the Availability section. This is where the walk-in information is entered. The first option is to select the checkout date, which will automatically update the number of nights field. Next, update the number of adults and children on the reservation as needed. After entering the walk-in criteria, you'll notice the Find Access Codes link. The Find Access Codes is used to search for and attach a company or group profile to a reservation. To complete an availability search, you can click the Search button or scroll down to apply additional filters, such as a specific room type. These additional filters allow the viewing of rate plans that are unavailable due to restrictions or lack of inventory. Additionally, the Lookup Rate Plans link may be used to search for a specific desired rate plan. After clicking Search, the updated availability will display on the right side of the screen. Tap the Rate Plan display to view all the open available rates. For this example, we will use Best Available Rate, RROD. To complete the reservation, tap the drop-down arrow to the right of the rate amount to access the Select button. For quoting purposes, before tapping Select, you can view the total stay amount just above the Select button. Tap Select to select the room type and rate plan to continue. The next screen allows you to select any applicable add-ons. Tap the Skip Add-ons button to skip this step. The last step of the walk-in process is where a guest profile can be added if not previously added, and you can select a payment method and assign the room number. Since the guest profile was selected at the beginning of the walk-in, we can move on to the Guarantee method. Tap the Guarantee method drop-down menu to select the payment type. Depending on the payment method selected, there may be additional required fields to complete. For this demonstration, cash will be the chosen payment method. When the payment method is outside of the property policy, such as credit card required, a guarantee rule pop-up window will appear explaining the rule. To continue with the selected cash payment type, select Override Policy to continue with the booking. Please note, not all front desk employees will have override user rights and may have to select an alternate payment method or request manager assistance. In the reservation information section, you can add room requests to the walk-in, such as a microwave and refrigerator. You'll notice the source is defaulted to WI for walk-in, and the market is auto-populated based on the rate plan selected. You can also assign a company profile if required. Before you check in the guest, you need to assign a room. If a room number is not manually assigned, the system will assign the first available room number. In the Open Room Number section, tap the room number you want to assign to highlight it. With the room number highlighted, the Select button becomes active. To assign the room, tap the Select button. Now that all requests and requirements have been selected and entered, you can tap the Check-in button. Because a cash payment method is being used, the cash posting pop-up window will appear. Notice that the amount due is pre-populated. When the amount received is entered in the Amount Tendered field, the Change Due field will populate with the amount of change owed to the guest. Tap the Apply button to post the payment to the folio. Since the cash payment has been posted, the print preview of the registration form will pop up. When you tap the Print button, the form will close. You can tap the Complete Check-in button to finish the walk-in process. Press or tap Next to continue.